Thai Basil Fried Rice. If you've got leftover rice at home, this is calling your name. One of those fast and easy dishes that comes together in 15 minutes. The flavor base comes from crushed garlic and chilies. Use a mortar and pestle to pound into a thick, juicy paste. It will take a few minutes, but it makes a big difference. FYI, you can adjust the heat level with the number of chilies. At minimum, you need one. Yeah, this is tons of flavor right here. Next, mix together the sauce. In a small bowl, combine oyster sauce, fish sauce, and a bit of sugar. Prep everything in advance because the cook time goes very fast. The star ingredient is Thai basil. This is actually cinnamon basil because that's what my local Asian grocery store carries. Both work. Spicy, bold, very aromatic. This really makes a dish shine. In a hot wok, add oil and fry the chili garlic paste. Add the shallot and a little pork. We're really building layers of flavor here. And the cold leftover rice, making sure to break up the big clumps. Add the seasoning for that salty, sharp umami flavor. And last but not least, add the basil, tossing and scraping the sides until wilted. As you can see, this dish comes together very quickly and easily. You'll be running to make it whenever you have leftover rice. Add a fried egg on top for extra protein and extra deliciousness. Enjoy.